This is rock planting number 1, which I did last year in spring 2025. It's again Acer palmatum on the rock in this suiban, and it was doing well on this rock, even if it's in very exposed position with a tiny pocket of substrate covered with moss on the top of this hill. In the last year's video you can see how I was cutting this stone and bonding it to this suiban. Now when the winter is over, also this tree was cut back a little bit. My plan is to have this branch as some kind of cascading branch going somewhere here, and all this will be small crown somewhere here. What I need to do before those buds will open, as you can see they are really big. It's beginning of March, but already these buds are really big and they are ready to sprout. So what I need to do is to give some kind of initial movements to those parts of a structure. This is more or less okay, but I just need to move it a little bit here into this position, so this cascading branch in the future will be here. This is rose, wild rose. This looks like dried, but I don't know. I need to wait another few days, few weeks to see how it will develop. Maybe it will require a new moss. But anyway, today I'm going to focus on this tree up here. Tiny tree, so even this kind of thin wire is doing the job. There are a couple of issues. One is that those two branches are very close to this junction. There is a small wound where was another part of the trunk which I cut away during the last growing season. So this is critical point for tiny plant like this. Maybe this could create inverse taper. Maybe one of those branches should be removed, maybe this one. And this is very close, but if I keep it very small and ramified very densely, most probably this is the variety of maple which has very small leaves, and also it will create and keep very small leaves this season because it's in very limited place with very limited resources, so obviously it will continue to grow in this kind of fashion. So I'm leaving the rows for now. I see some buds here, some buds here. I'm not sure about this branch. I'm not sure about this. So maybe the rose had a tougher summer than maple. I put small accent plant here from somewhere. I had tiny something from, I don't know, from some exhibition. I don't know what it is, but it starts to grow. Started to grow last week or 2 weeks ago and created this kind of 1 centimeter shoot. So it will stay like this. I will see how it develops. This is the crucial part because I want this branch to create something cascading here. Let's see how it will develop. This is the rock project number 1. Also the bonded in suiban. Suiban was filled half of the season with white sand to test how it will look like, and some part of a season it was filled with water. Water is nice, but there is I have a problem with the birds, and also if I keep the standing water there, it's filled with mosquito. How it's called, the stage of mosquito that's living in the water. I don't know, it's too late. This is it. Also, this planting was here. It stayed here on the table whole winter. I didn't know how it will survive. I didn't know how it will cope with the living inside. Almost all year it was inside. Even in the summer it was standing here because I'm not making fire in the summer, so it was here because this moss is crucial. This is very tiny pocket of substrate, very limited resources. I didn't want to, expose it to the birds outside in the garden and also to sunshine, so I better keep it very wet so the tree has better chance of survival, since it was my rock planting project number 1. I don't want to screw it up. So it looks like it did well. Now it's wired. Maybe it will look more interesting this season. Hoping for cascading branch to create some kind of interesting feature here, and the rose to wake up and maybe create flowers. We'll let you know in a couple of days from now. Thank you very much for watching. See you next time.